A sophisticated contemporary home on the fifth hole of Harbor Club. Tee to green to Lake Oconee views. Open floor plan flows through foyer, living room west/2-story ceiling, formal dining room seats 12+, large eat-in kitchen west/U-shaped cabinet system and center island west/gas cooktop, great room west/custom entertainment center. The second kitchen/pantry/laundry room is hidden from view. Outside the spacious veranda is living space enjoyed all year. A first-floor wet bar has access to the veranda. The home has 3 large bedrooms. On the main, the owner's suite has a tray ceiling. An adjoining sitting room overlooks the golf course. The remodeled owner's suite bath has 2 walk-in closets, a dual sink vanity vessel tub, a large walk-in shower, and a commode room. The owner's office is on the first floor. On the second floor are 2 large guest bedrooms west/separate baths, and access to the evening balcony. One of these rooms has an adjoining room in use as a nursery. There is a second floor bonus room west/a walk-in closet and a large storage area. This room has served as a bedroom. The attached 3-car garage has additional storage. The 1.23-acre lot provides a buffer from neighboring homes.